Julius Malema is reportedly threatening legal action against the controversial blogger Mr. Kaula after he alleged that Malema's wife Manto Matala filed for divorce due to alleged infidelity and even claimed that Malema tried to bribe him to keep quiet about their supposed separation. The Economic Freedom Fighters president and his wife have strongly denied the accusations with their lawyers, England Slabat Attorneys INC, sending a letter of demand on 26th of February 2026 calling for an immediate retraction and a public apology, stating that the allegations are false, defamatory and damaging to their dignity, integrity and family reputation, and warning that failure to comply could result in a crimen injuria case and a 1 million lawsuit. While South Africans have reacted online by supporting Malema's decision to take legal action and criticizing Kaula for spreading unverified claims, especially after Malema and his wife were recently seen smiling and appearing united in public at the Soweto Derby, seemingly shutting down the divorce rumors.